Good afternoon, students. This is Pragnesh Polara from Home Engineering College, Junagadh. Today we are meet here to discuss about some important examples and topics of Advanced Mathematics Group 2, which is for the point, line and circle. So today we will discuss the important topics of points and lines. We have two sessions today. So first we will discuss about the point, and in the second session we will discuss about some important questions of lines. So let us start with point. So if we look at the PPT here, today's our objective is to refresh our idea about the coordinate system and quadrants. After that we will discuss about the distance between 2 points. Then we will discuss about the midpoint of 2 given points, and then we will discuss about the important questions which will be related with these topics, right? So and then we will discuss about the example. So first we will discuss about the coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system. We all know that this is the origin O, this is the x-axis, which is denoted by x or x dash, right? So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is y or y dash, right? This is y-axis, this is the positive direction of x-axis, and this is the negative direction of x-axis, right? In the same way, this is the positive direction of y, and this will be the negative direction of y-axis. So this is first to clear about the because we are going to discuss about the coordinate geometry. So first we need to clear about our idea about the coordinate system, right? So now let us discuss about the quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this one is the second quadrant, this one is the third quadrant, and this one will be the fourth quadrant. So here the x and y both are positive, so here x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, here x will be negative and y will be positive. In the third quadrant, x and y both are negative, and in the same way for the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative, right? So this is the basic of coordinate systems and about the knowledge of the quadrants, right? So now this is about the quadrants. So if someone asks you that 1 0 point lies in which quadrant, and in first or in second, so note that here 1 0 point is on the x-axis, and the point on the axis never belongs to any quadrant. So our answer is none. The 1 0 is not in the first, not in the second, third and fourth, because points which lies on the axis do not lie in any quadrant. So note that the point which is lie on the axis do not lie in any quadrant. So 1 0 is on axis, so it not lies in any quadrant, right? So this is about the basics. Now let us discuss about some important topics of point. Here we will discuss about mainly 2 points, which is the distance between 2 points, because there are so many examples asked in GTU examination which are based on the distance between 2 points, right? And then we will also discuss about the midpoint of 2 points, and then in the end we will discuss about the circumcenter of the triangle, right? So this is about the point. So let us discuss about the distance between 2 points. Let us first point, that is a x1 y1, and this is the second point, which is b x2 y2. If we want to find the distance between a and b, which is shown in the figure, then we can using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the distance between a and b. We know that the length, that is x2 minus x1, and between x1 and x2, the length between here, that is y2 minus y1. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will get that ab square, that is equals to y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. And if we want to find the ab, that is the distance between a and b, this is the square of ab. So if we want to find the distance between ab, then the formula for ab, that is in root y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, right? This is the distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, right? So in this way, if we subtract the y coordinates and take the square, then in the addition we will take the subtraction of x coordinates, then take the whole square. After taking this sum, we will find the square root, which is the distance between a and b, right? So let us discuss about the some small example which depends on the distance formula. Here question is find the distance between the points minus 1 3 and 2 minus 6. Here we have 2 points. First one is minus 1 3, take as a x1 y1, and the second point, that is 2 minus 6, take as a x2 y2. So here after taking the formula, we will get here, that is x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 3 and x2 y2, that is 2 minus 6. So here we will use the formula ab is equal to in root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So here after the calculation, we will get ab is equal to 9.49, because here y2 minus y1, y2 is equal to minus 6 and y1 is equal to 3. So minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 9, and in the same way x2 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to minus 1. So 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 2, 3 square, that is 9, and 81. So square root of 90, that is equal to 9.49, that is the distance between 2 points a and b, right? So in this way we can find the distance between two given points. In the same way, if we want to find the midpoint of 2 points a and b, in the same way here, if we take a is equal to 5 3 and b is equal to 18 17, so if we want to find the midpoint of these 2 points, then we can find the x coordinate, that is the x1 plus x2 divided by 2, which is the x coordinate of midpoint of AB, and the same way we can find the y coordinate of the midpoint of these 2 points, that is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So in the end we will get the midpoint, that is M, and that is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So in this way we can find the midpoint of any two given points, right? That is the x coordinate is the addition of x coordinates divided by 2, and the y coordinate is given by the addition of y coordinates divided by 2. So here in this way we can find the midpoint of any two given points. So let us look at some examples based on the distance formula and midpoint of any two points. So if we look at one example, then if the question is like that, the question is if A is 2 3, B is 4 7, and C is -5 -1, right? Which is the vertices of triangle ABC. These three are vertices of triangle ABC. Then find the length of the median. We need to find length of the median BE. So if we draw here the figure, then we can easily find the idea how to find the length of the median BE. Here the triangle is like that. Okay, here A, which is 2 3, here C, that is -5 -1, here B, that is 4 7, and the median, that is the point and the midpoint of AC, that is the called median of the triangle ABC. Here if this one is the midpoint of the triangle, then this will be the triangle BE. If we say here BE, so this we know we need to find the length of BE here. So first of all we need to find the coordinates of the midpoint of A and C, which is E. So if we want to find the coordinates of point E, which is the midpoint of AC, so by the formula that is the midpoint, the coordinates of E, that is 2 minus 5 divided by 2, because here that is 2, that is x1, this is x2, so our formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, so this is x1, x2, that is -5, so 2 minus 5 divided by 2, and the y coordinate is here, that is y coordinate is 3, here y coordinate is -1, so 3 minus 1 divided by 2, so here 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So the coordinates of E, that is 2 minus 5, that is -3 by 2, and here 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So coordinates of E will be -3 by 2 and 1. So here now we have 2 points B and E. We want to find the length of BE. So we have the coordinates of B, we have coordinates of E. So by using the distance formula, we can easily find the distance between these 2 points B and E, right? So here the coordinates of E, that is -3 by 2 and 1. So using the distance formula, here I can want to note you that here B is 4 7 and E, which we have got -3 by 2 and 1. So using the distance formula, we can find the length of BE, that is in root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is the distance formula, right? So here that is x2, this is x1, so the distance is -3 by 2 minus 4 whole square plus here this is y2, this is y1, so 1 y2 minus 7 whole square. So here if we take the LCM, then we will multiply with 2 here, so this will be -3 minus 8 divided by 2 whole square plus this is 1 minus 7, that is -6 whole square. Okay, so here -3 minus 8, so that will be equal to, here this one is equal to in root, that is -11 by 2 whole square plus 36, that is the square of -6. So this one is implies, that is the 11 square, that is 121, then 2 square, that is equal to 4 plus 36. Again by taking the LCM of these two, so we will get the answer, that is in root 265 divided by 4, because we will multiply 36 with 4, so we will get 144, that is 144 plus 121, that is 265 divided by 4. So we can write the distance, that is 265 divided by square root of 4, that is 2. So which is the length of the median BE. So in this way we can find the length of median of any triangle, right? So this is the one kind of example which is very important about the exam point of view. So in this way we can use the distance formula. In the second way, we sometimes there is examples like so that this triangle is the isosceles triangle, so that this triangle is equilateral triangle, so that this triangle is right angle triangle. To show anything like that, we first need to find the distance between any two vertices of that triangle, and we need to clear the idea about the types of triangle. So let us first discuss about the types of the triangle. That means equilateral triangle, that means the triangle which have all sides equal, right? So let us discuss about the types of the triangle. Let us look at the types of triangle first, then we will discuss about the examples which is based on this kind of types of triangle. So first of all, let us discuss about the first, that is scalene triangle. So which kind of triangle is known as scalene triangle? So triangle which have no two sides equal, એટલે કે એવો ટ્રાયંગલ કે જેની કોઈ પણ બે સાઈડના માપ સરખા ન હોય એવા ટ્રાયંગલ આપણે શું કહેશું? સ્કેલન ટ્રાયંગલ. ધ ટ્રાયંગલ વિચ હેવ નો ટુ સાઇડ્સ ઇક્વલ, that is known as scalene triangle. So I will write here no two sides equal. Okay, scalene triangle have no two sides